this was intended to be a cat, but I had a couple more bottles, so I went ahead and spray painted those. And these bottles are from the Torani syrups. Okay. So I'm just going to use it because I have the other two I make my cats out of. And this one, the littler one, these will go ahead, like I said, they'll be the cats. And that bottle came from my wonderful Manhattan Specials. If you haven't had these and you like coffee, and you like iced coffee and soda, this is imported from Italy. And it's called, as you can see, and I'm letting you see this so you can screenshot it if you think you might want it. They're not easy to find on the West Coast. The East Coast, I think, is a lot easier, but it's the Espresso Premium Coffee Soda. And this manufacturer is the original manufacturer of this. Made in Rome. Started 1925. Delicious. Anyway, I took this and I spray painted this, so this will be the littler cat. I wanted to show you that because it is delicious. Okay, so let's get back to this. All right, I already cut out the material and I just made it to where it would lay down on, kind of pool around the bottle, if you will. Just like my regular ghosts. And it takes kind of a big piece, guys. It always amazes me just how much it takes. All right. And I'm not going to make this permanent. Meaning I'm not going to, what I glue, I'm not going to glue very much. These are so fast. So as you can see, because you want to get it kind of even, and then you're just going to pull it up. Now, what you could do, a lot of people do, is they take the stiffy and they'll stiffen this if they want to make it permanent, okay? And I have done that and I have videos. If I remember, I'll put it in the description of the other ghosts that I've made through the years. And this is not a new craft by any stretch. This has been around forever. But what they do a lot of times is they stiffen it and then they have it. And a lot of times they'll take this part off after it's stiffened because they don't need it. Okay? This one, like I said, the only thing I'm going to glue is if I decide to have her hold something. And I'm going to glue this hat that I've had forever from the 99-cent store. But you know what? I wouldn't even have to glue that. Now, I know you can't really see at this point what's going on, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around with some different ribbons. Actually, that ribbon will work really well. And I'm just going to tie it around her neck. Okay. So what I've done is I've just tied this, okay, and I think I might have her hold this little ghost. Might just glue that tiny bit so I can take it off. Well, let's worry about the hat. Gonna just tiny, and I mean tiny. See that? It can come off very easily. I'm going to put a little bit of a couple bows. Like I said, these are so fast. And this way I can take everything out or off of her, because like I always tell you, I just don't have room to house all this. So this way I can always take it out and I can use it again next year, if not for the same thing, something different. I don't think I have a big enough, I know I don't have a big enough pumpkin. I'm just going to leave her the way it is. I'm not going to put that down in just a sec, so you guys can see her. Okay, so what I did is I took some of these little ghosts that I got from a banner from the Dollar Tree and put around her, and she's holding a cupcake, but she turned out adorable. And she's big. Measurements and with her hat and everything, she's probably about 18 inches tall. But she'd make a cute centerpiece or on a coffee table. So guys, go ahead. I mean, you probably have black material, any of you that sew or do crafts. And like I said, in these little ghosts you can just make out of some white. You could even do tissue paper and just cut black felt. So there she is in all her glory. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon.